Okay, so I finally cut those pieces out. I got two of them. Mine might not be completely straight, but we can just say Finn used it too much and it's damaged. Alright, so I'm going to do this a different way. If you're using, floor mat foam, it's got a little texture in the back. Let's cut this. We or you, I'm not sure if you did it either. Put the line here. If we put the line here, we're going to cut a groove for whatever you're using and whatever I'm using for the rod to go in the middle. Alright, so when we do this, you can do it two ways. Actually, you can put the line on the back of here, on the nice textures, or the really weird, annoying filling spot, or the soft spot. I am going to do it. I'm going to glue these faces together so the contact cement can actually properly glue together, and then I'm going to sand all this off, and hopefully we can get it at an angle and make it look like a sword. Just about here. Really line up with that because that's going to have a little detail back there. So we want to make sure where our line's going to be. So where's that marker again? You just kind of use the line we put before as a guideline, just to let you remember, like, oh yeah, that's where everything's going to go. It's going to be fine. My thing does not look like garbage. If it looks like garbage, then this might not be the prop you want to make, or this might not be the thing you want to do. Actually, take that back. If you say this looks like garbage, then you are making something beautiful. Because I think everything I make looks like trash, and everyone else says it's beautiful. I don't know if they're just saying that. You know mothers. They say things.
Grandmothers, So if you want an angle, you go into that foam, just cut it to an angle. You don't have to go in really deep, just go in a little bit, starting about that first line, and go down. Once you have that little flap in there, we can start really digging deeper. I put half my blade into it. Unless your blade is huge, don't like stab it all the way through. As long as you're not cutting all the way through, you're okay.
Have you considered subscribing, friend? No! Okay. We are not friends.
So. Try your best not to cut yourself, because I almost did, just now. Please do not leave razor blades around with children. And do not blame this video if the child gets cut, or you get cut. I'm a simple, small person. Done.
Alright, so I cut the groove. Oh dear, I cut the groove in the first one. Looks like that. It's got a weird shape to it. Kind of odd. But it'll fit with my little mistake of a blade or inside will do. So we got that one done. See if it sticks oh, don't stick halfway in. That ain't good. So we're gonna stick that in a different way. Got an idea. You just need, if you know what this is, I don't have to explain it. You just want to go right in there. If it's not right, just get perfect. So I'll see you in a minute, and hopefully I can show you to glue them together. Okay, so I took a Dremel to the inside to make it a little bit more deeper so the piece would fit, but now I get my allergies all messed up because so much dust went everywhere. So if you don't have contact cement, you can use actually hot glue. Probably won't work as good, but it works kind of. You want to make sure that fits. So once you really see if it all fits and stuff, get your contact cement and start applying all the way down. not going to let that completely go ahead and touch it because we need to make sure our stick glues in first. It's a main importance right there. Get that stick covered. You might want to sand this, whatever you're using. If you're using plastic, sand it so the contact cement has a more of a grip. I think wood may need sanding, may not. I got a feeling it's one of those things that probably doesn't. Cardboard, yes, or carbon tubing, and most definitely same for fiberglass. I've not used fiberglass rods yet. This is the one that needs to go like this, right? Right. And if not, this is going to be a really bad moment. It's stuck in there now. It's one with the foam, so now we get that in there. Got it on my hands. You can actually roll it off your hands by heating it up or rolling it on the counter. I forgot to put paper down. You might want to put paper down when you're doing this because it's messy. It's messy. No, don't. No, it's not. It's going to be messy. I'm trying my best not to glue the foam pieces together, just the main pieces. Now we're going to worry about the straightening tips of these. Now if they don't all line up, just remember you're going to sand it off later. Or sand this down later, so it's going to be, it might be completely perfect, it might be just really good at this, better than me. But, yeah, there we go, we got a non-flips yet, that makes me happy to see. Now I want to make sure I pack it down tight because, no, you do not want to take a hammer to it. But you want to take something and heavy and roll it over on it to make sure that glue seeps in. Well, we got that done. Now we got this. We just glue this in there, and we just have a. Alright, so let's go ahead and we got the blade done. So let's start on this piece here. We're going to actually connect them at the end. We're going to work on the handle now, and I think this handle's going to be easy, probably. And I'm going to go get some leather and sand this down. Contact cement some leather on there, and this pommel here. This is either a knife. I'm pretty sure it's a knife. So we're going to make a little knife to go on that, and then make the pommel out of foam. So I'll see you when I get those things. Okay, so it's been quite a while. Actually, for you it's been like a second, but for me it's been probably an hour. I've actually went out and already cut the little ring things here and got the little indents, and I already got this to fit it right in here, and we're going to glue it. Once we do that, we're going to take it, I'm going to sand it, and then once I think it looks right, we're going to connect it to the sword. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to sand this as well. Once all that's done, we do connect to the sword, but I'm going to add some details, and I'll see you then. That's probably when the last step we're going to do is actually work on the pommel for the handle. Now, let's paint it. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Strict Props out.